Naming convention for CSS. The Constitution of Pakistan does not set the legal names for the civil services, and there is no service name as a Central Superior Service of Pakistan. The Constitution allowed the government appointed official and chairman of the Federal Public Service Commission of Pakistan to choose the name. The term CSS emerged during the first public examination of the civil service for the appointment of the post on officer entry level in the occupational groups of all Pakistani unified groups. The Federal Public Service Commission holds the combined competitive exams annually under the title Advice as Exams for Central Superior Service. The term of these colonial days which survived reform. Similarly, the use of the word central instead of the federal as well as the term superior are also legacy of the past. These were relevant when there was central governmental under 1956 constitution and classes existed in the civil services. In 1973 constitution abolished all classes in the civil service as the concept of the occupational groups was introduced. Acts following the functions laid in the constitution, the federal government promulgated the Civil Servant Act 1973, and each province enacted its own Civil Servant Act. The law allows civil service of the federation and the province to be regulated as per the rules notified under these enactment. Consequently, both sets of government have notified civil servant appointment, transfer and promotion rules 1974. The qualification and method, the way or filling of all posts is regulated by these rules. The posts at initial official level BS 17 are classified to be the filling by way of promotion or transfer by district recruitment under share fixed for each category. The recommendation for appointment in BS 17 under the direct recruitment share is done by the Federal Public Service Commission, which is established under its own laws as required of the Constitution. The rest of the post of the reserve for the departmental officer under the promotion quota, and the post under the appointment by transfer is conferred for officer inducted through in lateral entry or for hardship cases coming from the surplus pool. In practical terms, those appointed on post in direct appointment quota in each occupational groups through CSS exams have natural advantage. They join services at young age as compared to the departmental officer, and therefore reach to the highest slot. Since the number of the director officer at the entry level are few, but their quotas in post in BS 18 to the BS 12 are fixed on the higher side. Therefore, their promotion are fast paced. The arrangement makes the civil service attractive for talent individual and instill sense of superiority and pride. Currently, CSS exam conducted by the Federal Public Service Commission included the following occupational groups: the Pakistan Customs Service, Pakistan Administrative Service, Pakistan Service of Police, Foreign Service of Pakistan, Inland Revenue Service of Pakistan, Commerce and Trade Group, Information Service of Pakistan, Military Lands of Containment Group, Officer Management and Secretariat Group, Pakistan Audit and Accounts Services, Postal Group, Railways Group. History of Civil Service in Pakistan. Civil service is the backbone of the state. Government are formed, government are defeated. Prime Minister come and go, ministers come and go, but you stay on. Therefore, there is a very great responsibility placed on your shoulder. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, founder of Pakistan. The civil bureaucracy is a colonial legacy in this part of the world. The British used to rule the native population through Indian civil service, and most of the officers in the ICS were British themselves. And it was in the early 20th century that the Indian also started competing against the British, and many Indians eventually made it to the ICS. And with the time and independent Pakistan in 1947, the term Central Superior Service was used in Pakistan, and concept of all Pakistan service continues. The latter consists of the civil service of Pakistan and the police service of Pakistan, whereas the central service includes the Pakistan foreign services and abroad category of finance and other services. The finance category include the Pakistan audit and the account service, Pakistan Railway Account Service Pakistan, Military Account Service Pakistan, Taxation Service the Pakistan, Custom Exercise Service the Central Service. Other than this include the Pakistan Postal Service, Pakistan Military and Land and Cantonment Service, Central Secretariat Service, Central Informative Service. Each of these services and its own cadre composition rules specified the total cadre strength in the term of its number of position. With the Civil Service Reform 1973, a new system of common training program was introduced and all of these occupational groups, 12 at that time, were required to go through a military combination training at Civil Service Academy, the Lahore. The batch of officers who attend the Civil Service Academy in 1973 is recognized as the first common up till 5th common. The allocation of occupational group was done after the culmination of common training program, but from the 6th common onward this task has also been assumed by Federal Public Service Commission. Even till this day it is an official procedure that once probationary officer successfully complete their common training program, then they undergo some further specialized training programs, STP, in their own professional academies.